What if I told you that thousands of ordinary Americans are making an extra $1,000 a month using AI? Not software engineers, not tech experts, not people with years of experience, just regular people using powerful AI tools to create content, automate tasks, and build side hustles from home. In 2026, artificial intelligence has become one of the biggest wealth-building opportunities of our generation. While some people are worried that AI will take jobs, others are using it to create entirely new income streams. In today's video, we'll explore how Americans are actually using AI to earn extra money, which methods are working right now, and how beginners can get started without spending thousands of dollars. Let's dive in. Section 1. The AI economy is exploding. Just a few years ago, AI tools were limited and expensive. Today, anyone with a laptop and internet connection can access technology that would have seemed impossible a decade ago. Businesses are increasingly looking for faster and more efficient ways to create content, manage customers, analyze data, and automate repetitive tasks. This has created a massive opportunity. People who understand how to use AI effectively are positioning themselves as problem solvers. And here's the interesting part. Most successful AI side hustlers aren't building complicated software. Instead, they're using existing AI tools to save businesses time and money. When you save a business time, you create value. And value is what gets paid. Let's look at some of the most popular ways Americans are earning with AI in 2026. Section 2. AI content creation. One of the fastest-growing AI side hustles is content creation. Businesses need blog posts. They need social media content. They need email newsletters. They need marketing materials. And many small business owners simply don't have time to create everything themselves. This is where AI comes in. People are using AI writing tools to generate content drafts, research topics, create social media calendars, and produce marketing copy much faster than before. For example, a freelancer might charge $300 to $500 per month to manage content for a local business. With just a few clients, reaching an additional $1,000 monthly income becomes realistic. The key is not simply copying AI output. Successful freelancers edit, fact-check, personalize, and improve the content before delivering it. Clients aren't paying for AI. They're paying for results, and AI helps deliver those results faster. Section 3. YouTube automation. Another rapidly growing opportunity is AI-assisted YouTube content. Many creators now run faceless YouTube channels. Instead of appearing on camera, they use AI tools for scripting, voice generation, video editing assistance, and content planning. Popular niches include personal finance, technology, history, business, motivation, and educational content. Some creators earn money through advertising revenue. Others make money through affiliate marketing or sponsorships. What's remarkable is that one person can now produce content that previously required an entire team. AI can help generate script ideas, create outlines, suggest visuals, and speed up production workflows. Of course, success still requires consistency and quality, but the barrier to entry has never been lower. Section 4. AI-powered freelancing. Freelancing platforms have also been transformed by AI. People are offering services such as resume writing, LinkedIn profile optimization, email marketing, presentation design, customer support assistance, research services, and business consulting. AI helps complete these tasks more efficiently. Imagine spending 3 hours on a project instead of 10. That allows freelancers to serve more clients and increase their income potential. Many Americans are building part-time freelance businesses after work or on weekends. An extra few $100s per week can quickly add up to more than $1,000 per month. The important thing to understand is this. Clients don't hire freelancers because they use AI. They hire freelancers because they solve problems. AI is simply a tool that improves productivity. Section 5. Digital products. Digital products have become another major opportunity. These include templates, checklists, planners, business resources, educational guides, worksheets, and digital toolkits. AI helps creators brainstorm ideas, organize information, and accelerate product development. Many people sell digital products on online marketplaces or through their own websites. The advantage is scalability. Unlike traditional work, a digital product can be sold multiple times without being recreated. Some creators make only a few sales per week. Others build entire businesses around digital products. Even modest sales can generate meaningful monthly income. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more finance and AI content. Thanks for watching this video.